guys, we look at another set of examples. So this one is still under geometric progression. The question is the first three consecutive terms of a geometric progression are m minus 2, m plus 1, and m plus 7. The questions are that one, we need to find the value of m. Then number 2, we need to find the common ratio. Apart from finding the common ratio, we also need, say, write the first three terms. Okay, so we even write the first three terms. So now, when we want to find the value for m, we are still going to use the formula that we use to find the common ratio. We know that the common ratio is going to be constant throughout the pattern there. We said if we have a term number 2 over term number 1 as the common ratio, this common ratio is constant. It will be the same as term number 3 over term number what? Number 2. Okay. Once we formulate this, we can go ahead now and substitute. So we can label them. Okay. So this is term number 2, which is m plus 1 over term number 1 is m minus 2, giving us term number 3 is m plus 7 over then term number 2 is m plus 1. Okay. So what is going to be needed then? From here, there is the equal sign, so we can cross multiply. This m plus 1 multiplies m plus 1, giving us m minus 2 multiplying m plus 7. Okay, so when we look at this, we can expand the terms. So m times the terms there, m plus 1, of course. Then there is also 1, this one, multiplying m plus 1 to give us also this side, m open brackets multiplying m plus 7. Then we have negative 2 multiplying m plus 7. We're indicating this, rather we are showing to say the terms that are coming first, m multiplies the second terms independently. So m multiplies everything, 1 multiplies everything, and d, so is m this side and also negative 2. So we present them like this. Then after that, we can expand. So if we expand m times m, those are like terms, give us m squared. M times 1 gives us 1. Okay, so 1 times m, which is positive m, then 1 times 1, which is 1. Okay, it should give us the second one. So let me just to create space, let me do this. Okay, so we said m squared plus m plus 1 should give us, we go also to this, m times m squared plus m times 7 7m. Then of course inside we have a negative 2 times m, it's negative 2m. Then negative 2 times 7 give us negative 14. Okay, so work on the like terms. M squared, m plus m, this is 2m, it's 1, give us squared plus 7m minus 2m, that's 5m minus 14. Okay, so what are we going to do now? We're going to make sure that we group numbers on one side, and of course variables also on one side. So if you look at this, we make these terms cross the equal sign. So m squared. So this, when cross over, comes negative m squared. okay, plus 2m, positive 5 crossover, negative 5m should give us negative 14. Positive 1 crossover will give us negative 1. Okay, so m squared minus m squared, this gives us 0, so we can just cancel there. Then negative 2m minus 5. Every time a smaller number subtracts a bigger number, the result is negative. So from here, will be negative 3m. Okay, negative 14 minus 1. So the signs are the same. So what do? We add the numbers, then maintain the sign. So 14 plus 1 is 15. The sign we maintain is negative. So put negative there. So we're interested in finding the value for m. So we divide by negative 3 both sides. Find that m there is actually positive 5. Okay. So the value for m is positive 5. Now, if you want to find the common ratio, this is our 1. Okay, we want to find the common ratio. We said the common ratio is equal to term number 2 over term number 1. We can just pick this, one of these, pick and divide. So we can say r there should give us m plus 1 over m minus 2. So the common ratio is m is 5. So 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3, giving us the common ratio, which is what? Positive 2. So the common ratio there is what? Positive 2. Okay. So this is number 2, our number 2. Then the last one says we need to write down the first 3 terms. Okay. We need to write down the first 3 terms. So writing down the first 3 terms is easy. There, the terms m minus 2, m plus 1, and of course m plus 7. So we already know to say m is 5. So we say 5 minus 2. Next is 5 plus 1. The other one is 5 plus 7. So this should give us 3, 6. Then 5 plus 7 to give us what? 12. So these are the first 3 terms. So these are the terms: 3, 6, 12. Okay, so mathematics is simple, just like the way we're demonstrating. So this comes to the end of this session. So please invite your friends, share this to your friends. Make sure you bring your friend, will be highly appreciated. Okay, so if there are people that want physical tuitions, so the subjects that are there as well as physics and also chemistry. So we're found in Chipata, Eastern Province of Zambia, just within CBD area. So sure we'll put the number there so that you can contact us. So thank you for watching. See you next time.